Oh yeah, you can see the, at least on the screen here, you can see the difference in color. That is the mud slick coming down a stream called, it's a stream or a river? Stream called Wyoka, which is just to the left of us, right around that ridge there. There's a stream that doesn't go through to the ocean, but today, since it's been raining so much and so stormy out, it's just probably bursting with water, and all this mud is being eroded into the ocean, and you can see the discoloration of the water there. Over here, you know, it's regular ocean water there, and then you can see this big discoloration and that's all the erosion coming down the stream into the ocean there. Wyoka stream. That's the power of nature and erosion in action.